PLOOKUP is a new partial text matching add-in for Excel. It takes into account missing and redundant characters, spelling mistakes, words in reverse order, and character exceptions that should be ignored for better suitability. Here is a usage example. I had two lists of 1,000 street names and had to find the best match for each in another list. With PLOOKUP it took just a few seconds. In this demo the user is prompted to select two columns and an exception column. When the progress bar gets to 100%, the best matches will be added as a new column to the right. An additional percentage score column indicates how similar the results are. After installation, you will find the PLOOKUP on the Excel ribbon. The partial lookup button usually returns the best results. It combines two methods, the PLOOKUP method and the Levenshtein method. If the partial lookup button did not find some word, try each method separately and see which returns the best results. You may also insert the PLOOKUP formula or the Levenshtein formula in any cell by the function buttons or by typing it manually. Each method has its pros and cons, but combined you will be able to find all matches. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. PLOOKUP is very user-friendly. You are not required to master complicated software or change your data structure, and it is easily installed. To install PLOOKUP, open the file named Install and press the Install button. To remove PLOOKUP, press the Uninstall button. For more information, please contact GnomeBrand at gnomebbb@gmail.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.